What happens if your registration in GST is being cancelled? On premise that you have taken registration by means of fraud. On premise that you are not filing your GST return for a specified continuously, for a specified period continuously. You as a supplier found to be non-existent at your premises. When department visited your premises without intimating to you, and you are being issued notice and your registration get cancelled, and irony is your registration is being cancelled with retrospective date from the date you have taken registration. This is not only one point. In trade, we are finding this point is boiling. Once they are cancelling the registration, and then they are going back to the buyer and telling them your credit is not available because your supplier registration got cancelled with the retrospective date. My supplier registration got cancelled with retrospective date for the reason I said, maybe fraud, maybe non-filing of GST return for a specified period, maybe he's non-existent, and then disputed at recipient end, credit is not available. What to do? What is the way forward? In one of the case, we filed a writ petition in Delhi High Court, Bimal Jain and company. Department alleged that this petitioner has taken registration by means of fraud, and they have cancelled his registration with retrospective date, the date of registration. And quite obvious, now they would be going back to the buyers and challenging their credit on that premise because supplier registration got cancelled with retrospective date. What to be done? In case registration get cancelled, of course you are having alternative remedy. What are alternative remedy? Maybe you can move revocation application for your cancelled registration under section 30 read with rule 23, which was initially 30 days, but fortunately now date got extended from 1st October 2023. It is 90 days when you look at rule 23. And which can further be extended by 180 days by commissioner or any officer authorized by additional commissioner or joint commissioner. So revocation application. Or you can file an appeal under section 107 within 3+1 month against this cancellation of GST registration. But if you are following this revocation route or filing appeal route, which is alternative remedy, it will take time and you never know how long it will take. So what to be done? My simple submission to all of you, which I pleaded in this Bimal Jain and company, that even though alternative remedy is available, but if you can prove that the violation of principle of natural justice, and how it can be proved, maybe you are not being given personal hearing. Your so-called notice was only alleging you have taken registration by means of fraud, but nothing else is being stated. I'm just giving example. So so-called notice cannot be, I'm saying cannot be only with the allegation with the no basis, no background, no circumstances. How can it be? So violation of principle of natural justice, and you're not being given opportunity of being heard. Second, when there's a violation of fundamental right. Third, if you're challenging bias of law, even under section 29 subsection 2 clause E, where it is being stated proper officer can cancel your registration when you have taken registration by means of fraud, just below that provision it is being written that they must give you opportunity of being heard if they are cancelling your registration with retrospective date. Section 75 subsection 4 is saying that when any adverse order is being passed, they must give you personal hearing. So bias of law, again important aspect, of course, along with the principle of natural justice, and when it is beyond jurisdiction. If you're having these four ground, even though alternate remedy is available, you can move writ petition under Article 226 and 227 to the Constitution of India before Honorable High Court. And this is important not only to get your GST registration revived, but it's equally important for you to look at your buyers, because department then going to, and they will dispute the credit in the hands of buyer just because your registration got cancelled, and that too with retrospective date. So cancellation of GST registration may be one topic, but it is linked with the multiple implication. So fact of the case is important. We should not, see all the cases with the eyes of that there is fraud. There may be genuine case. You have physically visited department, that day your office was closed, your place of premises was closed, and with no intimation they have visited to your premises. Quite obvious. It can't be non-existent, right? It can't be. Lot of judgment which I have delivered in lot of videos available on my YouTube channel, that you can't dispute such ITC. Lot of judgment of Calcutta High Court, LGW Industries, Sanchita Kundu, Gargo Traders, Bright Star Plastic Industries Limited, lot many. So very interesting topic, but trying to give you some flavor to it. So look at your factual position. If you feel like this factuals are really, you can plead before Honorable High Court. Even though alternative remedy available, no bar. You can always move your writ petition. Lot many. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.